Ever wondered who steers one of Australia's oldest and biggest financial ships? I'm talking about Westpac, a name synonymous with banking down under. But at the helm, making the big calls and navigating the ever-changing economic tides, is a person you might not know by name. So, who exactly is the CEO of Westpac? To understand the significance of this role, let's take a quick look at Westpac itself. Founded way back in 1817 as the Bank of New South Wales, it has grown into a financial powerhouse, touching the lives of millions of Australians through its banking, wealth management, and insurance services. Leading such a massive institution is no small feat. It requires a unique blend of financial expertise, strategic vision, and strong leadership skills. The CEO sets the direction for the entire company, influencing everything from customer service to investment decisions and ultimately, the financial well-being of a significant portion of the Australian population. Currently, the Chief Executive Officer of Westpac is Scott Charlton. Appointed to the role and commencing on April 15, 2024, Charlton brings a wealth of experience to the position. Prior to joining Westpac, he held the top job at Transurban Group, a leading toll road operator with a significant international presence. His tenure at Transurban, spanning over a decade, was marked by strategic growth and a focus on stakeholder engagement. This background in managing complex infrastructure and navigating diverse stakeholder interests positions him well to lead a major financial institution like Westpac. Charlton's appointment came at a pivotal time for Westpac in the broader financial sector. Banks are facing increasing scrutiny, evolving regulatory landscapes, and the constant pressure to adapt to technological advancements and changing customer expectations. The CEO's role is crucial in navigating these challenges, ensuring the bank remains competitive, profitable, and importantly, earns and maintains the trust of its customers. So, what can we expect from Scott Charlton's leadership at Westpac? While it's still relatively early in his tenure, his track record suggests a focus on strategic execution and a deep understanding of complex operational environments. His experience at Transurban indicates a likely emphasis on long-term value creation and a considered approach to risk management. The financial community will be closely watching his strategies for navigating the current economic climate, fostering innovation within the bank, and addressing the evolving needs of Westpac's diverse customer base. His leadership will undoubtedly shape the future trajectory of this iconic Australian institution. Understanding who leads major organizations like Westpac provides valuable insight into the forces shaping our economy and the decisions that impact our financial lives. It's a reminder that behind every corporate giant are individuals making critical choices that resonate across the nation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.